Hello guys, I'm Elyse NSHIMIYIMANA at EAUR TV. So, you know the relationship between journalism and human rights. So, we need to know how journalism support the human right in a different ways and what if it is needed for journalism to support the human rights. So, we are looking for people on the street, Remera. So, we need to ask some students and other people about how journalism can protect and support human rights. Thank you. So guys, this is Aline, the girl we meet at Remera EAUR Kigali campus. She's going to answer some few questions about human rights and journalism. Thank you. Hi.
Hi.
Can you introduce yourself to our audience?
Thank you so much. My name is Aline and this is my neighborhood. I live near here.
So I need to ask you some few questions.
It's fine.
So number one, do you know some contents in journalism that support human rights?
Yeah. I think I know some. Investigative journalism. Yeah, that can support. That's one of the content that supports human rights. Feature articles, opinion piece and editorials, human rights reports, and profile of activists.
Yeah, thank you. The second one is it needed for journalism to protect human rights?
Is it needed for journalism to protect human rights?
Yeah.
Of course it is. Yeah, it's essential for journalism to protect human rights. Journalism serves a watchdog, holding those in power accountable and bringing attention to injustice. By reporting on human rights issues, journalists can raise awareness, inform the public, and advocate for change. Yes.
Thank you. The last one, what is the impact of protecting human rights in journalism for the society?
The impact of protecting human rights in journalism for the society.
Yes.
It is awareness and education, accountability, empowerment, social change. As we know, reporting on human rights can lead to broader societal change by challenging discriminatory practicals and promoting culture of respect for all individuals and strengthening democracy.
Yeah, thank you. This one is called Kairebwa Deborah. She used Kinyarwanda to tell us about voting and elections as her right and how journalism support elections to be known to citizens. Thank you. Mwaramutse neza.
Mwaramutse.
Wadufasha ukibwira abadukurikiye.
Amazina yanjye nitwa Kairebwa Deborah.
Turakoze cyane. Waretse nka tubazo tubazo dukeya ku bijyanye n'umwuga wacu.
Yego baza nta kibazo.
Ese wabuze ukuntu mu bijyanye n'amatora nk'uburenganzira bwawe mu gutora nk'umuturage w'igihugu cy'u Rwanda itangazamakuru byaba ari gufasha iki?
Murakoze cyane. Itangazamakuru rifasha kumenya niba igihe cy'amatora cyegereje, turabimenyeshwa binyuze mu itangazamakuru, tukamenya ngo tuzatora itariki iyi n'iyi kwezi kunuku, hanyuma bikadufasha kwitegura kugira ngo amatora yacu azagende neza.
Ngo ibijyanye na rezilita z'amajwi byo bigenda bita kugira mu bimenye.
Hanyuma kugira ngo tumenye ibyavuye mu matora, nabwo tubimenyeshwa binyuze mu itangazamakuru, bikadufasha kumenya ese twatoye gute, amatora yacu yagenze gute, mbese tukamenya ukuntu amajwi yabazwe, tukabikurikirana nyine binyuze mu itangazamakuru, bikadufasha kumenya neza uko amatora yacu yagenze.
Kabisa, murakoze cyane.
Murakoze.
He is Hakizimana Patrick and he was explaining how journalism support gender in Rwanda. Thank you. Mwaramutse.
Namutse neza.
Watangira wibwira abagukurikiye.
Nitwa Hakizimana Patrick. Muri Remera hano mu Gisenyi.
Ese Patrick nakubaza akabazo gatoya. Ubona itangazamakuru rifasha gute uburenganzira bwa muntu bishingiye ku hohoterwa rishingiye ku gitsina?
Itangazamakuru rifasha cyane cyane tugiye ku bagore, akenshi kera wasangaga nk'abagore bahohoterwa ariko nyine ntihagire ahantu babivugira bahagaragara ku kigo cyabo, ariko muri iki gihe kubera itangazamakuru ryaje usanga niyo umugore yahohotewe akenshi na kenshi bibanza kujya mu itangazamakuru. Aho ngaho hari hafashirizwa rero itangazamakuru rero ryagiye rifasha cyane cyane ku gitsina gore cyane cyane niho bibona. Urugero basigaye bari mu ntuza mu nteko hose mu buyobozi kubera ko batejwe imbere kandi leta nyine ishyiramo ingufu kugira ngo bazamuke, ariko icyabigizemo uruhare cyane cyane ni itangazamakuru ko ryarabavugiraga.
Murakoze cyane Patrick. She is Ilumva Ange. She was explaining how journalism support education as human rights in Rwanda. Tangira wibwira abadukurikiye kuri EAUR TV.
Murakoze cyane. Izina yanjye nitwa Ilumva Ange. Nkaba ngiye kubabwira uruhare rw'itangazamakuru ku byerekeye uburezi. Itangazamakuru ni ryiza ku bijyanye n'uburezi ko bufasha abana bacu nkatwe dufite abana kwiga neza. Urugero hari za katoni zica kuri televiziyo, hari ikiganiro cy'indero abana bakiga neza bakagera ku mashuri bazi icyo ari cyo kwandika no gusoma kandi babireje kwishyuririza. Ikindi itangazamakuru ridufasha kumenya amakuru hirya no hino ku bigo bigiye bitandukanye, abagira ibibazo ku ishuri tukazamura uburezi, tukamenya amakuru y'abana bacu, abagize ibibazo bikaba byabasha kugira gute kubavuganira.
This one decided to hide her identity because of some reasons, so we accepted her offerings. Thank you. Can you introduce yourself to our audience?
My name is Adeline.
Thank you. I need to ask you few questions.
Okay.
Do you know some contents in journalism that support human rights?
Yes, I know some content which support human rights in radio or broadcasting, which may include news, to also including teaching programs which teach some or educate audience to manage human rights inclusively.
Thank you. Is it needed for journalism to protect the human rights?
Yes, for journalism it's very crucial to protect human rights because journalism acts like eye of society. What we deliver in the society is what society consumes. So if we protect human rights, I think it is very important for society as well.
Thank you. What is the impact of protecting human rights in journalism?
The one of importance of protecting human rights in journalism is this, because if we protect human rights, everyone feel comfortable in that field. So if we protect human rights in journalism, we can also live in an environment with harmony, and that harmony will distribute it into the community.
Thank you, Adeline.
Thank you.
Thank you, my audience, for watching. This is Elyse NSHIMIYIMANA at EAUR TV. So this is the interview of some people outside and one student called Aline, and the people was talking about human rights and journalism, how journalism support human rights, especially focused on gender education and other areas that included in human rights. Thank you for watching.